Okay, let's take a look at the Brownian motion smoke cylinder made. So first thing I did was I found a design online and I tried to replicate it essentially. This is a 3D printed shell that I've made. The casing over here is where I'll put a pipe. This is where I'll put a lens, and this is where I'll put a bulb. These two holes are for banana jacks to go in. That's the ones that you have at school where you can insert the wires, and it's really easy to mess around with. This is so the microscopes hooks, I don't know what they're called, they can hook onto, and this won't move much. But effectively how it works is we've got three parts, right? First thing, you've got the pipe. You put smoke over here. Basically you can do it in a tube, light a match, put some smoke here, put a cover slip on, and see the particles. But oftentimes the problem is once you put a cover slip on, or once, in this case, the lid I've made, once you put it on, you won't, it completely blocks out some of the light. So that's why we have a lamp. Now, lamp over here is, okay, let's move on to the other one. What I've done is my school's microscope was quite, was not compatible with this, so I've had to take what they had available and remodel it. We take a lamp and we put it over here. What you do with the lamp is you have it connected to a stand, or you can just directly solder it on. You can directly solder this wire onto the lamp itself right here, and you don't need this even. Then you've got some protection to prevent yourself from shocking yourself. Wire goes over here, jumper wire goes over here. It's connected to a hook. It's soldered onto a hook. There's some soldering over here, and you just hook it onto a banana jack. This is easy to print, just some 3D printed casing to keep it flush. Then once you've got the light over here, luckily we can just snap it on here. You don't need to make it like this. You can make just like an ordinary bulb as well, small lamp. Then you have a lens, a cylindrical lens. This is important so you can focus the light. You need something that has a good focal length to focus it right onto here. Once it's focused on here, put the smoke here, put the lid on, and you can watch it. That's all there is to it. Be careful though with this because it does get really hot. What happened with my cover was the plastic started to melt. So I think another idea would be to do it without a cover, but try and keep the room outside dark and the just this on so you get a nice contrast and can see the Brownian motion of the smoke particles more clearly.